Parsons is invigorating.
I would say empowering.
It's sincere.
Parsons is constantly moving forward.
Parsons has definitely been pivotal in my future development.
Parsons is community. I might be in federal intelligence, someone else might be in missile defense, but at the end of the day, we're still part of the same community. We're still reaching those same goals of making the world a better place, making ourselves better people.
As an intern, when you join our early talent program, we are excited to expose you to both professional development experience as well as Parsons culture so that you're really able to boost your resume, but see everything that Parsons has to offer.
Just the type of exposure that you get at Parsons, the type of networking, just the amount of opportunities that you can receive within, the span of all the markets within Parsons is just, you can't beat it.
There's market calls, there's the fellowship program, there's mentorship programs, there's the Coffeeology series. They offer so many opportunities to all kinds of people to further their own careers personally.
Meet the Market series is pretty special. Us as interns, we're given the opportunity to learn about the challenging and interesting markets that Parsons is involved in, where we're headed, what challenges we're hoping to conquer in the future.
My internship is absolutely amazing. It's everything that I could actually think of and more.
I'm able to network with other interns, which has been great. Just being able to walk around the office, speak to different managers and compare the perspectives and see what type of projects they're working on.
I definitely feel like I'm capable and that they trust me to do something, and it makes me want to perform even better.
They're committed to your career growth. I think that's one of the biggest things that I noticed working at Parsons as an intern and as a full-time employee. Every boss that I've worked with, every higher up that I've worked with, they're committed to making sure that I'm getting the most out of my experience.
Meeting professionals in the field, meeting like-minded people, Parsons is fantastic for that. And then developing my own personal skills at a Parsons internship, I wouldn't want to do that anywhere else.